Hi folks, and welcome to Kate's Kitchen. I'm Kate. Tonight we're going to have what my dad used to call a quick and easy down and dirty dinner. I'm going to make for you my version of macaroni and cheese. We start off by putting the macaroni in the pan of hot water when it's boiling. Stir it a little bit to be sure it doesn't stick. Now the next thing I'm going to do is tell you what I'm going to put in the cheese sauce. I have the small pan. I have 1/4 cup of milk. I have some real butter, not margarine. About 1/2 tablespoon of cream cheese. And we're going to add a bunch more of our leftover ham from the other night. One last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some English peas and some of my house mix to it. First thing I do is I'm going to turn on the stove to about 4. And into my pan I've already added the butter. I'm going to add my milk and let that start warming up and melting the butter. Next thing I'm going to add to our pan is our cream cheese. We're going to let that melt along with the butter. Once all of that gets melting, then we'll add the cheese sauce and the spices. So right now we just want to get this going, get it melted, and also keep an eye on our pasta over here cooking. See, it's still boiling like crazy. We want it to be well cooked, but we don't want it to be turned into mush, so we keep watching that. As you can see, the butter is almost completely melted, and the cream cheese is slowly melting down. So we want to add the next ingredient, and that ingredient would be some of our house seasonings. Now, house seasonings is what I make myself. It's 1 part salt, 1 part garlic powder, not garlic salt, and 1 part pepper. And I use that pretty much everything I cook. Once that cream cheese has cooked down and starts emulsifying, we will add the powdered cheese mix and stir that in. Then we'll add the ham and the green peas. So starting to bubble, let's add cheese powder mix. Get that stirring around a little bit. There we go. That's getting better. And that will melt on down real quickly. Then we're going to add our ham. There we go. That's a nice bunch of ham. And we want it to be stirred in real well. And we'll add some of our English peas. Get this all stirred together. Oh goodness, hold on just a minute. Sorry everyone, I was trying to leave it off the tripod because I wanted you to be able to see more closely what's going on. What I'm doing is mixing up the cheese sauce with the butter and the milk and the cream cheese, added in the green English peas and the ham. And we're warming everything up and giving the cheese sauce chance to get a little bit thick. And once this gets done, and the pasta, which is almost ready, gets done, we'll add the two of them together. I've drained our pasta and it's back in the big pan. Move the pasta over to this one so you can see a little better. Now we're going to pour our cheese sauce with all the ham and everything in it. There we go. Let's stir this around. I don't know how you feel about macaroni and cheese, but we love it here with lots of cheese. I want a really cheesy dinner. So I've shredded some more cheese. And we're just going to sprinkle it over the top. There we go. And we're going to stir it up and get it to melting inside there too. I'll tell you what, that sure does make a pretty serving of food. We've got the white of the pasta, the yellow of the cheese, the red of the ham, and the green of the English peas. It just looks wonderful. I am going to do one more thing, and that is I'm going to add just a little more of our house seasoning mix. Now, there you are. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix up a plate for Dave, and then we'll take it in and have him try it out. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's take it in and see what Dave thinks. I really think it's a colorful dish. Okay.
Evening, sweetheart.
There it is.
Oh, boy.
There you go, Dave. Now enjoy and see what you think.
Thank you. Wow.
A little hot there, huh?
No, it's good. It's delicious.
Thank you. Thank you. Like I was telling everyone,
The peas make it.
we don't eat this way every night, but it is a good go-to for a quick in and out of the kitchen meal.
The peas really do make it, sweetheart. Just, I mean, I know it's mac and cheese, but
Right.
the peas in there just kind of, they raise it up a level a little bit. It's really, really good.
Thank you very
you.
much. Enjoy your meal.
Can I have seconds, maybe? Dear.
This is another way to use our ham. This is meal 3, I believe. And we still have more to come. Come back again soon because we've got more coming. Y'all take care. Goodbye and God bless.